Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to add Stripe payment gateway in checkout page and WP hotel booking plugin in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in dashboard. So we are using this plugin, WP hotel booking plugin in WordPress. So we are going to integrate Stripe payment gateway. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP hotel booking Stripe payment and then scroll down. So this is plugin we will use, WP hotel booking Stripe payment. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see WP hotel booking and then you see settings. So click on it and then you see checkout. So click on it. So in checkout page then you see multiple option. Now click on Stripe. So we are in Stripe section and then you see we enable it and then you see checkout option, redirect payment to Stripe page. So we added test secret key, publishable key, live secret key, live publishable key. If you want to enable test mode, you can enable this option. If you want to use live mode, then disable this option and you can add your live secret key and live publishable key and then click on update. Now go to room page, open checkout page. So we are in checkout page and then scroll down. Now you see payment method Stripe for WP hotel booking plugin. So in this way you can add or integrate Stripe payment gateway in WP hotel booking plugin in WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.